Over the past year, DNT Optics has experienced a defining chapter, driven by innovation, guided by customer insight, and powered by shooters and hunters with professional field expertise.
So this whole thing literally is all in one. You get the thermal, you get the IR illuminator, you get the night vision, you get the day scope, and you get all the features right there. I think the capability is impressive, but most of all, I think the ease of use is very impressive. You can catch it with your thermal and then still identify it with your daytime or your nighttime optic, which is something that I've never actually been able to do before. It is super easy, super intuitive, very cool product.
The ThermNite 335R, and also the weight and size. You've got all three things built in to this one optic. Okay, night vision, day vision, and also your thermal. And it's a third of the size that a lot of the other competitors out there are using. And the price, for the most part, is a little bit less expensive.
This is the new DNT NVMD, and it stands for Night Vision Multi-Purpose Device. Where else are you going to have night vision, digital optic with magnification that's a clip-on and that you can see through your red dot and use this as standalone? That's pretty stinking cool.
This is the DNT Hydra HS635, and everyone that's looked through it can't believe how good it looks for the price. I'm a big fan, so if you guys want this type of capability on your rifles, if you don't have a thermal quite yet, or you just want a thermal for scanning, I mean, this is cheaper than a lot of handheld thermals that I've seen out there from other companies.
This is a new offering from DNT. It's a Zulus 4K. It's a night vision scope that has a day mode. These things are awesome and so simple and have their advantages as well, but they're very, very cool to look at, these digital scopes.
Proven in the field, across varied terrain and conditions, and trusted when it counts. See what's coming next, getting a first look on the show floor.
Guys, I'm with Schuyler with DNT Optics, and we're at SHOT Show 2026.
SHOT Show 2026, we are at the DNT Optics booth, checking out some of their new offerings that they have.
All right, guys, I'm here with Nick at the DNT booth, and we want to talk about their digital night vision and some of their thermal options.
All right, Kyle here with Four Ranch, talking with Schuyler at DNT Optics. Schuyler, nice to see you. So tell us what you got for 2026.
What's up, guys? We are over at the DNT Optics booth looking at this cool little gadget.
All right, we are at SHOT Show 2026. We're going to check out while we're here. One of the most exciting to me is the DNT Optics booth.
We'll meet again soon at the 155th NRA Annual Meetings and Exhibits, April 17th through 19th, 2026. George R. Brown Convention Center, Houston, Texas. We look forward to seeing you there. The mission continues. Be part of what's next.